Hi, my name is Aaron Sudholz, Project Manager at BAE Systems Australia, and my role at this conference is the Deputy Chair of the Organising Committee. AIAC is a unique blend of academia and industry speakers come together every 2 years to support the aerospace industry and the Avalon Air Show. What's unique about this conference is the mix across research and case studies in the field, and great link to the Air Show week as celebration of aerospace industry in Australia. AIAC has a dynamic program, so has evolved over the years, keeping pace with the changes in technology within the aerospace industry. What we see in this conference is more about optionally crewed vehicles and full autonomous systems, the technology behind them, and then also the first flight being shared with us in a lot of presentations this year, which is really exciting. A partnership with Arinex really helps us focus on delivering a world-class program for AIAC for all of our international and local guests to enjoy their Congress experience in this week at the Avalon Air Show.